2018 Exam 2 Matrices Question 4. Okay, again, doing that highway, the 2,700 kilometers of highway, and that's not changing. That's an important point. We've got this new recurrence relationship here with this plus b, which always makes things trickier. So here's our m naught as well as our t, and here's our b, and we've got this missing value k. And it says write down the value of k in this matrix. But because the amount of highway isn't changing, then the total must be 0. And the only way for that to be possible is that k equals 30. If the amount of highway was changing, if we were creating or destroying more highway, then we'd have to have a negative number for destroying highway and a positive number for creating highway. But still got 2,700 kilometers of highway, so we must not gain or lose highway. It's 0 is the total. Okay, they love this recurrence relationship. It's very similar to the sort of things you get in financial with home loans and things like that, because you've got that plus B, it's like a payments sort of part. So there's only one way to go through this, and that's to churn through each step rather than trying to have a shoot ahead formula. They've given us M naught, and we know that's 2020. They've given us T, they've given us B. We know this is 30 because we worked it out before. And basically what we're going through is a process. So we know what M naught is. And so M1 equals Tm naught plus B. And M2 equals Tm1 plus B. That's just using that formula. And this is going to give us, so we know M naught is 2020, this is 2021, this is 2022, and that's exactly what we're aiming for, 2022. So we've got to churn through all that to get the answer that we want. All right, let's hit the calculator. So here's my M put in, here's my T put in. I've just labeled them in just to make my life a bit easier. Then I've put in my B, and I've said T times M plus B, which is this part here, and that's going to give me the year 2021, which is actually M1, and M1 is this, so that is M1. Alrighty, now I've done all that. I'm then going to repeat the process. So my answer from before, which is this one, which is M1, has got to be multiplied by T and plus B, which is what we're doing here. That'll give us 2022, which is M2, which is this thing here. Whew, going very good so far. So it says how many kilometers of highway are expected to be created? G. So we've got to make sure we remember which ones are which. So that's GRSN. It's this number here. And so we should get the answer 457 kilometers. And it says that a lot of people wrote the matrix, so they were able to write the matrix but it didn't ask that, it just asked it for the G part. So I think some people might be disappointed because it was either 1 mark or nothing. You weren't getting any consequentials for this one. Take your time and have a go at that one, because less than a quarter of people got that right.